Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI avatars are making people real money. This isn't some get-rich-quick thing. We're talking about a tool that's actually changing how businesses create videos. I'll break down what works, what doesn't, and why most people are using it totally wrong. Plus, I'll show you the exact strategies that are working right now in 2025. Hey there, so if you haven't picked up on it yet, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy running Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. I used to be a mechanic. Yeah, that's right. Grease under my fingernails, fixing engines all day. Good, honest work, but let's be real. I wasn't exactly building wealth under the hood of someone's Honda Civic. Fast forward to today, and I'm running a 7-figure marketing agency thanks to AI tools like HeyGen. And no, this isn't some fairy tale story. This is what happens when you actually understand how to use these tools the right way. But here's what drives me crazy. Everyone's using HeyGen like it's some magic money printer. Just make a fake person, upload to YouTube, get rich. That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. The AI avatar market is exploding right now. We're talking about a market that's supposed to hit $118 billion by 2034. But here's the thing. YouTube just cracked down on what they call AI slop content, mass-produced junk that adds zero value. So while everyone else is panicking about these new rules, smart people are seeing the opportunity. Because when you remove all the garbage, guess what happens? The good stuff rises to the top. Now let me show you what HeyGen actually does. You upload one photo, that's it. One photo of yourself or anyone else. The AI creates a digital version that can talk, move, and look completely real. But that's just step one. The real power is in the voice cloning. You record yourself talking for 60 seconds. Boom. Now your avatar can say anything in your exact voice. Not close to your actual voice in any of 175 languages. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people are making avatar videos about random topics they know nothing about. Finance videos when they've never invested a dollar. Fitness content when they can't do a push-up. That's exactly why YouTube is cracking down on this type of thing. The smart move, use your avatar for what you actually know. I'll give you some real examples that are working right now. Local businesses are paying serious money for training videos. Think about it. Instead of flying someone out to train their staff, they create one avatar video and use it forever. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the AI software I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. Here's what most people don't get about making money with AI avatars. It's not about the technology, it's about solving problems that real people will pay for. Let me break down the business models that actually work. First, freelance video services. Businesses need explainer videos, training content, product demos. They're already paying thousands for this stuff. Now you can deliver it in a day instead of a week. The automation angle is where things get crazy. HeyGen connects to Zapier and Make. That means you can set up systems that create videos automatically. New product launch, boom, video created. New blog post, boom, video version made. I've seen people build entire businesses around this. They charge companies a monthly fee to automatically turn their content into videos. It's like having a video team that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and works for the cost of a software subscription. Course creation is another big one. Instead of filming yourself for hours, you create your avatar once, then you can make courses in any language. English course selling well, make it in Spanish, French, German, same content, multiple revenue streams. But let's talk about what actually stops people from making money with this. First mistake, trying to be everything to everyone. Pick a niche. Get really good at solving one specific problem. Second mistake, thinking the AI does all the work. Wrong. The AI creates the avatar. You still need to write good scripts, understand what your clients actually need, and deliver results that matter. Here's a reality check from MIT Technology Review. They tested HeyGen and other AI avatar tools. The conclusion, the technology is incredible, but success depends on how you use it. And here's something most people miss completely. The real money isn't in one-time projects. It's in ongoing relationships. That plumbing company I mentioned, they now pay my contact monthly to create new training videos as their processes change. Think subscription, not project. Think monthly retainer, not one-time payment. That's where you build a real business. Now let's get into the technical stuff that actually matters. HeyGen's pricing starts at 29 bucks a month. That gets you 15 credits. Each video uses 1 credit. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. Here's what they don't tell you. Those credits expire every month. Use them or lose them. Plus, longer videos use more credits. And if you want the good stuff like custom avatars and voice cloning, you need the higher plans. The team plan is $89 a month for 30 credits. The enterprise plan, you have to call for pricing. But here's the thing. If you're charging clients $300 to $500 per video, even the team plan pays for itself with one client. The math works if you actually get clients. Speaking of clients, let me tell you about the elephant in the room: competition. Everyone and their brother is jumping into AI video services right now, but most of them are doing it wrong. They're competing on price, they're making generic content, they're not adding real value. That's actually good news for you if you do this right. YouTube just clarified their new rules about AI content. They're not banning AI videos, they're banning low quality, repetitive content that adds no value. See the difference? So here's what works. Pick an industry you understand, create content that actually helps people. Use your real expertise, just deliver it through an AI avatar. Want a specific example? Let's say you know about car repair. Instead of making random finance videos, make car maintenance tutorials using your avatar. You know the content is good because you lived it. The avatar just makes it scalable. Or maybe you understand marketing. Create training videos for small businesses about Facebook ads, SEO, email marketing. Use your avatar to deliver the knowledge you already have. The key is this: the avatar isn't the product. Your knowledge is the product. The avatar is just the delivery method. Now let's talk about something most people never consider: the international opportunity. This is where things get really interesting. You create one video in English. HeyGen can translate it into Spanish, French, German, Italian, whatever language you want. Same content, same expertise, but now you're selling to markets you never could reach before. Think about it. A simple Excel training course in English might make you a few $100s. Translate that same course into 5 languages. Now you're looking at thousands. But here's where most people mess this up. They think translation means just changing the language. Wrong. You need to understand the market. A marketing strategy that works in the US might not work in Germany. The avatar handles the language. You still need to handle the strategy. Here's how the international strategy could work. You create a course about something you actually know: photography, Excel, car maintenance, whatever your expertise is. You research what equipment or methods are popular in different countries. You adjust the examples, but keep the core teaching the same. The potential is there to multiply your revenue across different markets. Same knowledge, bigger reach. That's the power of thinking globally with these tools. Here's another angle nobody talks about: personal branding at scale. Most entrepreneurs and business owners hate being on camera. They know they need video content, but they're uncomfortable filming themselves every day. Enter AI avatars. You create your digital twin once. Now you can create consistent content without being on camera every day. LinkedIn posts, Instagram stories, YouTube videos. Your avatar handles the presentation. You focus on the message. This opens up opportunities for business coaches to create daily content, real estate agents to explain market trends, or professionals in any field to share their expertise consistently. The content quality depends on your actual knowledge and experience. The avatar just makes it scalable and consistent. But let's address the elephant in the room. Is this ethical? Are we lying to people by using AI avatars? Here's my take. If you're honest about using the technology and you're providing real value based on your actual expertise, then yes, I'd say you're good to go. The problem comes when people create fake experts. When someone with zero experience in finance creates an AI avatar to give investment advice. That's where things get sketchy. But if you're a real mechanic teaching car repair or a real marketer teaching Facebook ads, using an avatar is just a tool, like using a camera or microphone. Now let's get tactical. If you're going to do this, here's what actually works. Start with your existing knowledge. Don't try to learn a new industry just to make avatar videos about it. Use what you already know. Second, test your market before you invest heavy in HeyGen. Create a simple slideshow video explaining your idea. Post it on LinkedIn or Facebook. See if people are interested. If nobody cares about your topic, an AI avatar won't change that. Third, focus on one specific problem. Not business training, but how to hire your first employee. Not fitness tips, but workouts for people with bad knees. The more specific, the better. Fourth, understand the technical limitations. HeyGen is impressive, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the lip sync is off. Sometimes the gestures look weird. Sometimes it takes hours to process during busy times. Plan for these issues. Have backup plans. Here's something else. The technology is moving fast, really fast. What HeyGen can do today is 10 times better than last year, but that also means your competition is getting better tools too. You can't just rely on having cool technology. You need to provide real value. Think long term. Where do you want to be in 3 years? How can AI avatars help you get there? That's the real question, not how can I make quick money, but how can I build something that lasts? And here's the final piece that most people miss. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a business. You need to treat it like one. That means systems, processes, and actual customer service. But if you do it right, if you focus on solving real problems for real people, if you use the technology to enhance your expertise instead of replacing it, then yeah, you can make serious money with AI avatars. Look, I've shared a lot with you today. The opportunities are real, the technology works, but success comes down to execution. If you want to dive deeper into how I actually use AI tools like HeyGen to grow my agency and help my clients, grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. It's in the description below. I go way deeper on client acquisition, pricing strategies, and the exact systems I use to scale. Plus, you get access to our community of over 21,000 agency owners who are already doing this stuff. Comment below and let me know what questions you have. I read every single comment and I'll answer them in future videos. And if this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI business breakdowns like this one.